We are part of the book budget team, and we spent $5,000 on books. And here a package came in, so we're gonna be unboxing it. Okay, we're gonna cut it open. Let's go. Okay. Wait. Ready? Open it! Oh! A whole box of books! Oh my!
Oh wait! We got the diary of a pug. How many books are there of these that we got?
There's like, we're gonna count quick.
7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
But there's
And
12 pug books.
we have, Can I Have a Turn? 3 copies of these. Perfect for little ones.
Then we got Cat Kid. Looks kind of creepy, but Cat Kid. 2 copies of Cat Kid. Cat Kid, you see the Cat Kid?
I see the Cat Kid. Yeah, it's right
It's
there.
Cat Kid Comic Club on Purpose. The inside of it.
Okay, I got the Cat Kid books. Now,
Oh my god. You got
we got the.
Squinting around. Thank you very much.
Oh my, I love these books.
Have you ever read them? How many copies?
3 copies of squirreling around.
Squinting around.
Spinning around. And now we have
Into the Heartland.
Into a Heartland.
Into the Heartland. There's a the, you see the the on it?
Into the, yeah. Okay.
Show them the inside of the whole book.
This book is really nice. It's a graphic novel.
Jaden loves graphic novels.
Next we got,
Okay.
these books feel really nice on the outside. They're not like the shiny kind that are like
The
uncomfortable
inside
to
part-
feel. I like
That's
these
what
a
the
lot.
inside looks like.
Oh my gosh, there's different books. There's new Babysitter's Club. No, please.
Babysitter's little sister. Karen's school picture. The inside looks.
These are also graphic novels.
I
graphic
just-
novels.
Yeah. It's a mean place to never keep
I'm obsessed with these, and
Yes, all she reads.
yes, they're amazing.
Okay, well, there's more copies of that.
We have.
My Fate According to the Butterfly.
Yeah, that's what you said.
Okay, yeah, it's a chapter book, so
It is a chapter book. This book is very good.
you've not even read it.
Well, it looks very good. It looks very good.
Wait, 2
So
copies.
this is Room to Dream, and I've read the book
Front
Desk,
Desk.
which is on the back. And they're both really, really good
Can't
books.
get my hand up. Okay, there you
And
go.
I'm really excited to get to
These, how many copies are there?
3. That book. It looks really cool.
That's the inside. It's a graphic novel.
It's yes, these are.
We don't know the
graphic
title,
novels.
so
these
you're
are
gonna have to
really.
figure
I
it
love
out.
graphic novels. They're really.
You're gonna have to figure it out. It's called the Rema Chronicles.
The Remic Chronicles. Is that it?
Realm of the Blue Mist.
The Remic Chronicles. I didn't see that.
So yeah, because you don't want. This is what the inside looks like.
Another graphic novel. But we do have chapter books in here. Here is our Owlie.
I think this is
Just a little blue book. We have 3 copies.
Yep.
This is
This is the same one.
Spinning Around, but it's a different title because this is Fish. Whatever that.
Fish.
Okay, Squinting Around, and this is Fish Feud. So this is not the same as the other one.
Well, let me see. We have a piece of paper that says all the titles. Ow, I cut myself.
Oh, it's right here.
Jaden, you're knocking all the books off the table.
So this one's Squinting Around, Prank You Very Much. And then this one is,
What's the inside of this one look
I
like?
think they're both graphic novels. So we got the
Years Sports!
Want to take a look inside of it?
Who is this?
Very informational. This is Candace Parker!
Did you open it?
I'm looking, I'm wearing her shirt. My aunt is best She's with her. She signed it on the back.
Yeah. right there.
Signed it.
Yeah.
You can see this is about a lot of sports players and a lot you would probably know. So this is good if you like sports. Oh my gosh, I like these
Oh, I
books.
cut my hand again.
Weird.
It's Words in the Dark. A novel read by Trent.
If you guys have read, we got 3 of these. It's cool how we get multiples of all the books.
We got the Aquanaut. I hope he swims with fishes. Or is he an octopus? Back is like that.
Oh wait, it's a little snail in a fake body. Let's look at it.
Looks like a turtle.
Sorry.
I'm taking the microphone pulling away from you.
Okay, we got another.
Yeah, yep, another.
How many of those do we have?
I don't know.
2, 3?
4? I don't know. Got Octonaut.
Okay, next we have
Press start. Another press start.
Press Start. What was the first one called?
The first one was.
Oh, here's another Press Start.
There's 2 more copies of Press. 2 more.
So we got 3 Press Start, Super, Cheat, Code, and Secret modes.
So.
And then this one
That's
is.
what the inside looks like. Now we got little kid books. A lot of them.
Okay, let's open it. Let's
I'm
get
opening
the box out of here.
Yeah, we should have done that a long
We got
time
all
ago.
of our-
Interesting book.
These are for little ones. Like Biscuit goes to school. That was my favorite book.
I love Biscuit.
Same with me.
Biscuits
this
are good
is
also.
Splat the cat blows. Blow snow blow.
Then we got Gus grows a plant. This is level 1.
Next we have Feed the Cat
You let me finish.
and Scuba Cat. Then we have Clifford Makes the Team. That book's really good. I've read that. And then Happy Grad.
Oh my god.
At the top, it's ready to read. So these are good for beginners.
I love this book.
There's
It's
that's
stuck
like
on a tractor. I love this.
My Name Is You.
I didn't even finish talking about my book,
My Name Is
Jaden.
You.
We didn't talk about this one. Did we talk about the biggest one?
Yes, we did.
Well,
All
anyway,
right.
This is the biggest one.
Thanks for unboxing books with us.
Wait, shut up. Here.
We got a lot of good books. Hi.
Oh wait, what's it called? Squiddly Doo?
Well, anyways, this is not.
There's only one squid squidding around. Oh wait, no, never mind. There's 2.
So yeah, there is 2.
Oh wait, I found another cat kid book.
Find the other one. There's something wet that just fell.
Okay. Then we got. I don't know how to pronounce this. How do you say it? Geronimo.
You guys can read it.
Feud. Fish. Here's the back of it. The
I
secret
don't know
ones.
much. I'm just like,
Yeah.
you know.